Hi, uh, now I want to show you guys, my students, my friends, okay, how to create homemade clay for terracotta, accessory development. You know how to make homemade clay. You know how to make homemade clay, like in YouTube there are hundreds of you know. But anyway, this is for my student who actually want me to show them practically, so I'm trying to show them practically. Okay, let's see what are the things that I have got right now in front of me. Okay, so here you can see this is my terrace. Actually, I stopped doing planting to put coriander and other things, but anyway, now I was a little busy, so I could not follow up. Anyway, what I have right now here is I have got a small pot over here. There were a lot of mitti. You can see this is already like this. This has become very hardened, very hardened. So I have to break it with this. So I have to break it with this and see. This is like pure soil, mud, which I actually dug out from my field. This is my field, right? I have just dug out from there, and I just store it here for some use. And then after grinding and beating it, right, I have got water to mix them. And there's a container where I can accumulate the liquid part, and then this is like will act as a sieve, okay, chalni, okay, from where I'll collect, right. Let's see the process, how to do it. So it's very windy out here, so I will put this aside. Let me use this. Okay, so just carry and try to mix them. Whatever quantity you want, go ahead for that. Okay, so whatever I had right now I'm trying to do, but you can do more or less, depends upon it. As I had told you guys, like there will be this this extra weeds and dry leaves and other things that might accumulate. So when you are mixing, so see that it doesn't it doesn't the impurities is not soaked with the mud, so we need to remove the impurities. The water is too much actually. I think I should have taken lesser water, so never mind. I'm not going to take too much of this soil, right? Okay, so what I need now is to stir it up, right, and to mix it. As I told you guys that you got to mix this. So mix it and try to strain it off while mixing, so that you get totally filtered soil, liquid soil, filtered one. So you get that. So after you get a filtered liquid one, so that will be very pure, so that is easy for us to work on. It is good for us to work on. So let me stir it up. Let the soil become a little softer. Okay, so let me leave it for some time here. Okay, now you can see I have collected a gamla here and my fabric which I wanted to do, use it here, right? So I have collected this, and it's important that we collect it in a proper shape, in a proper area, otherwise this will really go down. I would have taken a bigger fabric, but the vessel what I had is this one. So leave it like this for the time being. Let me show you that I need to pour in all of it, pour in all of this here. I'll pour in all of this here, and then I'll collect it in this mug itself. I need to collect it, right? For the timing, let me pour it off, because this is how I can manage to make. So this is how it is done. So let's see, I'll require the next part to clean this out and then collect the liquid liquid, fine liquid, right? So here what was important, like the granules must have been removed, the granules, which I did not remove it right now. So I just wanted to happen it directly. So let's see. Okay, I'm not removing the granule right now. We'll remove it by sieving it, because I don't need too much. I did small quantity, so I just wanted to show the demo. So you can remove the granule if you want, but the granules will be anyway removed by the next part. Okay, I have got the mug, which is very clear. As you can see, the mug is very clean. I'll pick this up carefully. Okay, I'll pick this up very carefully and tie it up actually, so that only the water drops, the water drips. This is what I need. This is what clear liquid. Do you see? Okay, I need that only. I don't need anything else, right? So all I want is this clear liquid, right? So it will take time to collect, right? So I have to make sure that I tie it up here, okay, and hang it up at some place and let this settle down and dry. Okay, so what you can see here is very clean soil, and this is what the terracotta is going to be. Okay, so it will take time. With dripping it will accumulate, and that will be the pure soil which I actually wanted you to make the material for, right? So let me just keep it here for the time being, and I need something to tie this up. Okay, so let me collect one rope, right, so that I can tie it up, right? Shall I tie it up with this? Okay, but this may open up, right? So I'm not taking that risk once again. And you have to take, really, see, you can squeeze if you want, but you don't require to squeeze. I'm making small amount, so I'm not removing the impurity. So impurities are all there, let it be, because only the dripping of this liquid will be sufficient enough. But if I press, all the extra mud will also come out, right? Take it in the container. Like I can spread it here also, because that will take easy drying. It will dry it off more easily if I put it here, because the area is big. So area is big. Let me put it under sun, right? So it will dry. You can take a flower sleeve also. Flower sleeve, जो चलनी होता है, you can take the chalni, flower sleeve, which you actually need to strain dust and dirt. Flower sleeve. So if you want, you can do that. Okay, here comes the second part. But I told you guys that I have to remove the extra, granules. So I have to pour in water here. And then I have to stir it off and remove the granules. Okay, that's what I told you guys. So I have to collect water and pour it here. This is one very exclusive filter. It takes time, but this won't take time, because you can use it handy immediately out of it. So let it dry, let the water be evaporated, and light layer, a very thin layer of clay will be settling down. So I'll have to collect that clay and use it for our craft work. Okay, but here right now, if I pour in lots of water here, okay, and I can remove the granules with the help of hand, right? So how to do that, let us see in this process. So in this part, you see, I have already put in water, and there are granules here. I can feel the granules, and there are all this, is hard pebbles, stone shapes, right? And other dirts are there. You can see these are the weeds, these are the grass weeds, they are there. So you can remove it. You can remove it by mixing it properly, right? So you can remove it by mixing it properly, or you can just transfer the top portion. So this is one process, right? So when you want to remove it, what do you use? what do you use to remove it? Because you cannot pick up each one of it to remove, no? So you require a sieve. So let me get a sieve for, okay, let me get a sieve. Okay, let me put this aside. This is something done. Now here you can see that I have to collect the, this is a sieve which masons use for, you know, filtering the sand and the sand granule, right? I obviously don't consider that you people will be having it, but in case you want to use sieve, you can use the atta chalni and all those things, okay? And even the tea strainer you can take, the metal tea strainer which has bigger holes, and you can pour it on, right? So when you pour, you wish these things get filled. So I'm just putting it here. You can see right here, I'll just put in. So what will happen, right? I can collect the mitti and all, everything, right? For the timing, let me see this strainers. Okay, there is too much water. So this water I have to collect it somewhere, because this is almost fine. You can see this is almost a fine amount of water, which actually I told I was trying to collect to the other the previous one, the one which I was trying to collect. So this is also fantastic, but still this has a lot of impurities, so I need to filter it out with the help of this fabric. Okay, so I'll keep this aside, right? Other than that I can filter out. So I need another container, this heavy things. So this thing is one part filtered, right? It can be used. From here also I can place it, and then I need a container where actually it can collect more of this, right? So what I will do is, like, I can use the bucket, this bottom pot, yeah, this bottom one, right? So I can take the bottom one, right, and maybe this part, yeah, here if I really put this one here, okay. So let me just take it off, right? So let's see. So you can automatically see the texture of the material is also all very nicely created. See, the texture is very nicely made, but I really wanted that I filter it off a little more beyond this. Pebbles and granules which are coming in my hand, so I'll just throw it off, and I'll just put here. I'll just strain it off. So here what you got here, so you can see what you have got here is very nice and filtered clay. So I hope you can see this clay that you have already got here. No, they are very fine, right? But they are not as delicate as these clays, okay, the earlier one which I just kept it. So this is still thick, but it is impurity less, almost. Okay, I still have this water to be strained off, right? So I can still strain this water off through this, so that more amount of clay I can collect. So let me make a small holder like this. I'm holding it with the hand only. You guys don't take too much risk. Try to contain with something. Okay. Okay, so here goes. So here again you can see that only fine layer of thin layer has accumulated here. So this is very pretty actually. This is very soft and very delicate, and that's what is going to happen here. Once I also complete removing the extra water. When the water is evaporated, so you will get to see that this thing comes. Okay, now this is enough actually, right? I'll be using this. This you can see, no, the texture. See, the texture is so soft and very delicate. So it's almost like this only, right? So I'll just collect this and put it here and leave it for settling at least for a day. And this is how the terracotta, this will be, clay will be, and this is one part already done, and this is another part which is done. So just leave it for some time, let it dry, right? I don't have much work here. Okay, so after this thing is finished off, then only we can do the making of the accessory. So till we make the accessory, okay, hope for the best that I receive nice quality of material. Okay, let's see.